So what does it mean to think like a lawyer? Hi, Stefano Molea, San Diego criminal defense lawyer and partner at the law office of David P. Shapiro, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In law school, you're required to take all kinds of classes, even if you don't have any interest at all in practicing in that area. So you're studying civil law, criminal law, property law, and other boring stuff. But at the end of the day, you're learning about rules and how those rules lead to conflicts and how those conflicts play out in a huge variety of factual scenarios. So now when you're out in the world, your brain has become sort of conditioned to see things within the framework of rules, which then means you start identifying where there are potential problems and then try to find solutions. Then when you pick an area of law to practice in, this sort of skill becomes more mature and tailored. So for example, in criminal defense, one of the most important jobs we have is to keep the prosecution true to their burden. In other words, the prosecution tries to show that their facts are enough to overcome their high burden, and we do two things in response. One, we don't let the prosecution lower that burden or water it down, right? Water down the beyond a reasonable doubt. But then we work to show how their evidence might be insufficient to meet that high burden. And it's that tension that helps balance the scales of justice, as it were. There is a lot of strategy involved in preparing a case, and some decisions are very difficult to make. If we do this, then what can happen? Is it better to bring this up or leave it out? How will a jury interpret this information? So thinking like a lawyer isn't just about arguing. It's about understanding the rules, understanding how they apply to different scenarios, and understanding both sides of an argument objectively. Then, and only then, can a lawyer really think like a lawyer. Thanks for checking this out. Hope you found it helpful, and please comment and share. Thanks.